Why do 72% of travelers miss the hidden gems? Because they stick to guides and apps. That ends today. I'll show 3 secret spots you can actually visit. Hidden nature spots in Africa. Spot 1. A tucked-away waterfall behind a village. Crystal pools with almost no crowd. Spot 2. A secret sandstone arch. Reach it after a short sunrise scramble. Perfect for photos. Spot 3. A remote plateau with wild flowers. Endless horizons. Bring a picnic. Quick tip, ask locals for directions. And go early. Follow for more secret spot countdowns. And plan your next off-the-map escape.